Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the insightful world of habits with a book summary of The Power of Habit, Why We Do What We Do in Life and Business by Charles Duhigg. So let's get started. But before we dive into the content, I kindly request a moment of your time to appreciate this video by liking it, subscribing to the channel, and ringing that notification bell. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Have you ever wondered why we do the things we do? How are habits formed? And more importantly, how can we change them to transform our lives and businesses for the better? These are the questions that Charles Duhigg delves into in his groundbreaking book, The Power of Habit. The Power of Habit explains what an important role habits play in our lives, whether they're good ones, like brushing our teeth and exercising, or bad ones, like smoking. Filled with research-based findings and engaging anecdotes, The Power of Habit not only explains exactly how habits are formed, it provides easy tips for changing habits, both on an individual and an organizational level. The Power of Habit, Why We Do What We Do in Life and Business is a book by Charles Duhigg, a New York Times reporter, published in February 2012 by Random House. It explores the science behind habit creation and reformation. The book reached the bestseller list for the New York Times, Amazon.com, and USA Today. Charles Duhigg is a Pulitzer Prize-nominated investigative reporter who writes for the New York Times. He has won numerous awards for his work and has appeared on TV shows such as Frontline and The NewsHour with Jim Lehrer. The Power of Habit unveils the science behind habit formation and change, making it a valuable read. Key highlights include: the book uncovers the psychology and neuroscience behind our daily routines. It presents practical strategies for replacing bad habits with positive ones. Real-life examples and case studies make the content relatable and engaging. Unlock your potential by understanding and mastering your habits with the power of habit. The book explores the science behind habit formation and presents a compelling argument that habits are the key to success in both our personal and professional lives. Duhigg breaks down the habit loop, cue, routine, reward, and explains how understanding this loop can help us break bad habits and cultivate good ones. Brain damage can still adhere to their old habits. Just consider Eugene, a man with severe brain damage caused by encephalitis. When asked to point at the door leading to the kitchen from his living room, he couldn't do it. But when asked what he would do if he were hungry, he walked straight into the kitchen and took down a jar of nuts from one of the cabinets. Eugene could do this because learning and maintaining habits happens in the basal ganglia, a small neurological structure embedded deep in the brain. Even if the rest of the brain is damaged, the basal ganglia can function normally. Unfortunately, this resilience means that, even if you successfully kick a bad habit, like smoking, you will always be at risk of relapsing. Here are some takeaways from the book. 1. Habits are simple key routine reward loops that save effort. 2. Habits stick because they create craving. 3. To change a habit, substitute the routine for another and believe in the change. 4. Change can be achieved by focusing on keystone habits and achieving small wins. 5. Willpower is the most important keystone habit. 6. Organizational habits can be dangerous, but a crisis can change them. 7. Companies take advantage of habits in their marketing. 8. Movements are born from strong ties, peer pressure, and new habits. 9. We bear the responsibility for changing our habits. Here are more key takeaways from the book. 1. The habit loop. Understanding how habits work can empower us to make positive changes in our lives. By identifying the cues that trigger our habits, we can replace negative routines with healthier ones. 2. The power of keystone habits. Duhigg introduces the concept of keystone habits, small changes that have a ripple effect on other areas of our lives. By focusing on these keystone habits, we can create a domino effect of positive change. 3. The role of willpower. Duhigg challenges the notion that willpower is the key to success. Instead, he argues that creating a system of habits and routines is far more effective in achieving our goals. So, how can we apply the lessons from the power of habit in our own lives and businesses? Duhigg provides practical strategies and real-life examples to help us harness the power of habits for personal growth and professional success. Whether you want to kick a bad habit, improve your productivity, or transform your company culture, this book offers valuable insights and actionable steps to help you get there. The Power of Habit is a fascinating exploration of human behavior that offers a fresh perspective on how habits shape our lives and businesses. By understanding the science behind habits and learning how to harness their power, we can unlock our full potential and create lasting change. Case studies and stories. One of the most compelling aspects of The Power of Habit is the numerous case studies and stories that Duhigg shares to illustrate his points. From the story of how a woman transformed her life by focusing on one keystone habit to the account of how a major retailer used consumer habits to boost sales. These real-life examples bring the concepts to life and make them relatable. Personal anecdotes and reflections. Duhigg also shares personal anecdotes and reflections throughout the book, adding a human touch to the scientific exploration of habits. By weaving in his own experiences and struggles with habits, he shows that change is possible for anyone, no matter how ingrained their habits may seem. To wrap up the video, let's discuss some practical applications of the lessons learned from The Power of Habit. Whether you're looking to improve your health, enhance your productivity, or streamline your business operations, Duhigg's insights can be applied in a variety of contexts. By implementing small changes and leveraging the power of habits, you can make significant improvements in your life and work. Now it's your turn. Have you read The Power of Habit? Or are you inspired to pick up a copy after watching this video? If not yet, you can find the link to acquire a copy of this incredible book in the description below. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this summary helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more book summaries, self-improvement tips, and insightful content. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the transformative concepts of The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Remember, understanding and harnessing the power of habits can be the key to unlocking your full potential. Until next time, keep reading, keep growing, and keep striving for positive change.